Hello and welcome back to this channel. Upcoming, we'll be showing you how we prepare the very authentic and well popular Jamaican cuisine salt mackerel rundown. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell that you can be the first to receive these delicious recipes once we drop them. Also leave a comment, let us know how you enjoy this recipe. Let us know if you have ever prepared the Jamaican cuisine salt mackerel rundown. If you are interested in seeing this recipe, stay tuned starting now. So right now we're removing the salt mackerel from the pack, and in this pack there are three salt mackerels. This you can purchase from any Caribbean store, and what we're gonna do is just to wash the salt mackerel with some water from the tap using a lemon just to remove the excess rawness. And then we're also gonna be adding the mackerel once we have washed them properly on the fire with some water to boil and remove the excess salt. Just make sure that once you give it that first boil, you throw off that salt water and then you add fresh water to the pan, and then you can give it a second boil. Now here are the veggies that we'll be using to season the mackerel. We have some bell peppers, different colors. We have some tomatoes. We have some spring onions, some fresh thyme, some onions, some Scotch bonnet pepper, and some garlic. So while the salt mackerel is boiling, to remove the excess salt, we're just going to go ahead and chop these veggies and have them ready. To show your support for this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscription button. Also hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to be notified when we drop these videos. Now that the salt mackerel has finished boiling and we have removed all the excess salt, now we're just going ahead to mince the salt mackerel, not too finely but in just reasonable sizes. And we're also adding one native coconut. We're using the milk from the coconut freshly squeezed, and that is what is gonna give the rundown that authentic taste, that fruity taste, that very homely, comforting feeling. And so we're going to go ahead now and blend up this coconut. You could choose to grate it if you prefer, but in the interest of time we're going to be washing these off and blending them, and then we're going to be squeezing the juice. To this pan on the fire on medium heat, we're adding the freshly squeezed coconut juice, and we're going to let it come to a boil. So here's the coconut juice. It has been boiling for maybe 10 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and season this up. We're adding some fresh thyme, some allspice or pimento seeds, a piece of fresh ginger, and this is gonna really bring all the flavors together. Also adding some chopped onions, some chopped bell peppers, some chopped tomatoes, some chopped spring onions, some chopped fresh garlic, 1 hot scotch bonnet pepper. Just gonna give that a stir, and this smells so good. The coconut milk combined with all the veggies, it gives off a very nice, delicious aroma. And to elevate the taste, we're adding some all-purpose seasoning. You can add any herbs and spices of your choice. Now we're going to add the cooked salt mackerel. So we're just gonna let this simmer for maybe 5 to 10 more minutes. And look at the gravy, very fruity, creamy, very aromatic. You know, this is very comforting. So the salt mackerel rundown is normally paired with ground provisions. So we're gonna be making some carrot dumpling. We're gonna be cooking some green bananas and some pumpkin, and that is what is gonna pair with the salt mackerel rundown. So we're just gonna add now to knead the flour. So to the grated carrot, we've added some flour, we're adding some salt, and now we're just gonna use this water to mix the dough for the dumplings. To show that you're enjoying this recipe so far, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button to make sure that you are always receiving these delicious recipes, and also let me know in the comment section how you enjoy this recipe and if you have ever prepared salt mackerel rundown. "20 minutes later, the ground provisions are now ready, and now it's eating time." So this is the famous and very authentic Jamaican salt mackerel rundown. Now look at this, how beautiful it is. All the veggies, all the colors coming through so vibrantly. The carrot dumpling, that is gonna really elevate the dish. And then we have the pumpkin or the squash, and then all that coconut sauce there, just making it so delicious. To show that you have enjoyed this recipe, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section how you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and hit the notification bell that you can be the first to be notified when we drop this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.